I'm Bruce Van Wyk.
And I'm Jeff Vroom, co-owners of Pella Engraving Company.
It's amazing what we've gotten into in the last 44 years. We do wrestling belts for the WWE. We've had plaques in the White House, on the Space Shuttle, for Major League Baseball and football teams. I think if the original owners would have a chance to look at us today, they wouldn't recognize the business because of all the things that we do now.
A few places you'll see our signs in our communities are banks, businesses, libraries, hospitals, sports parks, and park benches. In our business, we feel like relationships are very important. We value those relationships when we work with community businesses and organizations, and we enjoy that. We look forward to doing that in the future as we have in the past.